that is good. All right, so how does this, Oh, I'm recording. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back, and guess what? Don't tell wife, we got another RC car. The narcissist has another RC car. It's the good stuff. Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, I am back from my adventures. Now, let me start out by saying, guys, that you use my links. You go to like Teespring and buy the cups, the shirts. You use my affiliate links that are in the bottom in the video description of every video. So if you want to go to like A-Main or Tower, Horizon and buy stuff, or if you need to buy you some coffee, you go to Amazon, Save My Store as your homepage, and then shop for whatever you want. If you're interested in some of the RC stuff that I use, it's in its own little section on my store under RC products. Those of you that use that, thank you very much. It allows me the money and stuff to buy this. I'm retired. I don't make a lot on YouTube. I put way more money into the channel than I ever make. So you guys that do that help me buy these cars and keep the channel going. I don't like filming outside, but this is way too big to open up in the shed the way it is now. Now, I had a price, probably gone up now due to recent events. It was about $3,000 to extend this shed out, which would bring it about here, almost double its size. But here's the problem. It's like $3,000. We do the shed. I'm still gonna have to create like some type of workbench, some type of filming thing. So that's gonna be money. And then it already cost me several $100s in spray foam to treat this, to spray the entire thing, and I'd have to probably redo that again. And then I don't even know if the air conditioner I have in there is going to be big enough for something double the size. So it's not just going to be the 3,000. So yeah, when I was away, I made a posted comment about Tower Hobbies has a one-day sale, 25% off. And guess what? This wasn't part of it. But I will leave a link down below where you can purchase this. But let me know in the comments down below right now. Make a prediction. What do you think this is? Obviously, you can see it's an Arrma. Obviously, you can see it's kind of large. Now think, what Arrma don't I have? Dun, 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 dun. Give you a minute. I've been wanting this for a while. Now this was on Scratch and Dent, and it's like $110 off. So I had to jump on it. I have some parts laying around. Oh, it is scratching. Wow, it is Scratch and Dent. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Sheesh, I don't think the people at Arrma like me very much. Check it out. But look, 1, 2, 3. Yes, I finally got a Limitless. This is the rattle can roller. If you're not familiar with that, that means it's completely clear. There is no electronics in here. I know they just came out with that other version that can, 120 or something out of the box. I don't really care for, and I'll just say right now that, oh, it even says right there, rattle can roller. I'm not gonna build this thing to try to go, like, make some new speed record. I'm not going out there crazy. I think it'd be fairly easy to get this to 100. That should be easy. I got my Vendetta over 100, 105 with the Vendetta. But I think I'm gonna be good if I get this to like 110. I believe that this thing's so large. Even like my the Felony, which shares the same chassis, it's very easy to drive on this. So I'm not gonna do like a whole like unbox, tell you everything that's in here. I'm not gonna do that on this video. we'll save that for like the build video. We'll talk about some of the stuff. Well, I'll just basically show you the build, but man, that is beautiful. So I actually invested some money. The money I saved with this, I invested some money. I'm getting a little airbrush gun. I have an idea how I want to paint this. This is an idea I've had in my head for a long time, how I've always wanted this to look. So I got the airbrush coming. I have some parts in here. Like I said, I'm not going to go through all that right now. I'll try to keep this video on the shorter side, but I do have some parts. So that's the reason I went with this, because I have ESC motor, all this stuff that I'm going to put in here. So let me know what you think. Oh man, beautiful. Also, so let's give you a little channel update. I do have 2 RCs coming. One, as soon as it arrives, I can go ahead, shoot the video, get it posted. I have another one that's coming to me. It's not been released yet. They asked me to go ahead, shoot a video. They want me to shoot a video, get it ready, but they also want me to give them some input as to what I think about the RC before, you know, it's released to the general public. So I like that. I actually don't have a problem with that at all. If we could find some issues right away before it goes to release and we can get that fixed for the customers, for you guys, the viewers, I'm all for that. I know some YouTubers get mad. They want the actual production thing, but I don't have a problem with that at all. If we can help with the development and find issues, it just makes a better experience for everybody. That way you're not spending your money on an RC, something breaks, and then you're down the RC, and you know, you have a bad experience with the hobby or the brand of the product. So I don't mind doing that at all. I also have a lot of stuff to keep me busy in the shop here, which I just need to bite the bullet, and we need to, because I just don't have the room to work in here. But I do got the parts to get the ZD Racing Pirates 3 Truggy working. Those parts are in here. Tyson at Garage Life RC gave me some pretty cool parts for the Mini Creighton. I have the FMS, the Range Rover Crawler. You guys remember that video? I'm going to be swapping out the motor and ESC, try to pick up some speed with that. That's one of the projects. What else do we got? Quick edit. Yeah, so the Shiroi. There's some suspension tuning and stuff. I want to do that. The Team Corrali Shiroi. And then on that line of vehicle, also have the FMS Fun Haver, the Bronco. There's some tuning and some stuff I want to do to that as well. So I know these are some cars that we're going to have some more material coming up. Back to the video. I really can't think of anything else. I just got to work on the shop because there's just no room. Even like my workbench, it's going to be hard to work on this, on that workbench, but we're going to get it done. I'm also excited. Let me know, should I shoot a video showing you like airbrushing? Like, I really don't know what I'm doing. I guess I can show you my process, learning how to airbrush. Let me know if that interests you as well. I need to just go take some cars out, man. It's been a while since I ran a car. I was thinking about doing it for this video, going out, do a chat and bash, and then talking about the stuff, but just been busy since I got home. Man, I'm rusty. It's been like a month since I shot a video. I do want to say I appreciate people's input, stuff like that. I do value that stuff. And I'm not sure if this is the video to bring it up, but every time I bring up something with speed run, somebody uses the term get foams. Please don't jump in with that, because that's just too vague and kind of a worthless comment. Anybody, we know that people run foams, speed run, but if you look, I've gone down this road before. There's like indoor foams, drag racing foams. There's other type of foams. There's all different types of compounds. It's worthless just to say get foams. It's kind of like, I feel like you want to feel like you're smart about something and throwing that in there. Now, if you have like, hey, I have a Limitless. I ran 150 mile an hour, and I got the purple XX whatever foams, and I never, that's fine, but I'm not gonna change these tires. I've gone over 100 with D-Boots tires, and I haven't had any problems. Like I said, I'm not trying to go for any records. We're not trying to go 120. Actually, I might just try to break what the ready to run is. What is ready to run? Is it 120? Man, that's fast. I don't know if I want to go that fast. I don't want to ruin this thing. I just want to get it up over 100. I think 110, I'll be happy. And this should be a lot easier to drive than the Vendetta. The Vendetta was such a light car, had 6S in it, and just every time you gave it that throttle, I had one spot, went camping, if you guys watched that video, really, really nice long, nice open space to do it in. But the problem, you know, the Vendetta is like half the size of this. It's just hard to see. So obviously, like the Felony, I can see that car for quite a distance. That's also the problem. You know, I've had the Rollarlo, the AK-787, over 100 several times. It does great. It goes nice and straight. It's just hard to see. I get it down the end of the road and I hit the brakes and I don't know where the car goes. That thing's got those stupid Rollarlo ESCs that you can't program, and the brakes come on too strong, especially at that speed, and it always seems to like knock the car crazy. But I do have some good components to put into this. So we do have some exciting stuff coming up. More exciting than this video, but I appreciate the support. Oh, I mentioned Narcissus. Somebody made a comment. They're like, on my last video that I put out, and I said, hey guys, I'm gonna be gone for a while, because I just wanted to alert people. If you make a comment on one of my videos, it's probably gonna be delayed, because I don't want anybody thinking I blew them off. And, you know, maybe some people might be concerned, like, hey, I haven't seen videos, because, you know, it's behind the scenes. There's several of you that I chat through Instagram or Facebook Messenger or text, stuff like that. And, you know, we chat on a regular basis. So even if you were to do that and didn't respond, then what? This guy's like, oh, are you a celebrity? You think you're a narcissist? Like, what's a narcissist? How's that narcissist to just let my good viewers know that, hey, there's going to be some delays to me responding to you and there won't be videos for a while? That's the stuff you got to deal with. All right, I think that's it for the update. Like I said, got some new cars coming. We got this build. I got an airbrush system coming. I got some paints coming and all that. I got some good plans for this, and I'll do a whole video on this, on the build, and I'll talk about the parts that are going into here. But man, I just wanted to share that I got this car. And like I said, if you want this, they still have it on a scratch and dent. It's like 110 off. It was like 460, it's 350 or something now. So if you ever wanted a Limitless and you got the parts, might be a good time to jump on one. A long time ago, I did a video and I said I would do a giveaway on this, the UDI Rage Shark. It's a good little RC. I had an issue, a slight issue on my review, and noticed that the ESC wasn't very smooth. It was glitchy. UDI kind of went back and forth and they said it was my fault for running the other battery, so we just used everything in here. And this little guy had the same issues. It was only run very slightly for the video. It's still absolutely mint, and I will be giving this away. And I said I would do this into a video and I would put it somewhere probably towards the end to reward viewers of my channel. I'm not going to post a video that says, hey, giveaway, and draw on a bunch of people. I want to reward you guys who tune in and watch, especially like boring videos like this that say, hey, I'm back, and the stuff that's coming up. So on this video here, there will be a link down below where you can enter the giveaway for this. Now, I've had this problem in the past, guys. When I do the giveaway, you'll get an email. I'll do I'll do a screenshot to show it's honest. Do the raffle, and somebody will come up and your email information will be given to me from the company that I use. and I'll email you from the car vlog L to the W at Gmail and say, you know, raffle winner. I've had issues before where people haven't responded. I don't know why. I've said this every time. Like, you'll get an email, car vlog L to the W, and look out for it and respond. So please, if you enter the raffle, make sure you check out and see if I've contacted you about winning. Also watch the video, because I'll announce your name or whatever, but I won't give out your email information on any of that stuff. But there you have it, man. Good stuff coming. Got some RCs, got to build, got some stuff in here to work on. I gotta get the shed extended, but I just spent a bunch of money on this little vacation I just had with my friend. Can't win. All right, everyone. Man, greatly appreciate the support. Links down below where you can buy this, other stuff, other ways of helping the channel. Guys, I do appreciate those of you that do that. It does mean a lot. The likes, the shares, the comments. Thank you for keeping the channel going. I'm glad you appreciate, or I want to say appreciate, that you enjoy the content I put out, man. It means a lot when I get comments like that. So, hey, you know, appreciate your honesty and look forward to stuff. So, man, greatly appreciate that. So, all right, time to end this. Thanks for watching. We'll have some more videos soon. Probably be a little delay. I got to wait for some stuff to come in. It's going to take me a little bit to build this, but we will have some stuff starting to roll back out. All right, everyone. Appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.